I'm a Filipino. I promote our martial arts culture like eskrima. So many weaponries that I'm teaching there, like karambit and baston and espada idaga. Now I will give you some demonstration about what we call this mano-mano. Mano-mano, yeah. Ang mano-mano ay isang bahagi na ating kultura na ginagamit na sinasabing mano-mano dumog. Okay? Ngayon, ang mano-mano, hantuhan, for example, ang mano, ang suntok, halimbawa, straight. I will tap this and then I will do this. And then I will do this. That's mano-mano. So, if the strike coming here again, if the strike, I will go this way and then this way. And then this way. Now, all the strike have different way. If you will do this, if the attacks come from us, and then I will do this, the figure 4. What is the figure 4? What is my elbow? Is strike to the face. Struck. And then I can go again down like that. It will break this. Okay?
Nasabi nyo, Monching, mabilis lang mabali ang
Yeah.
elbow?
Yeah, because this is only joint lang to. Kasi wala sa malaking katawan. Basta you know the technique, the proper way. Kasi yan, pwede ma-break yan. Kasi joint lang ito. At sabi ko nga, ang tama ko sa kanya, pag in-stretch ko sa kanya ito, sa muka, anong tendency yun? Magiging plus siya, di ba? Dahil yung tama. Kaya ang pag strike, if it is here, I'm using this, I can use this, like that. What is the tendency to break this? Okay?
So pag may kalaban, ito talaga ang tinitira.
Yeah.
Elbow. Mabilis
Correct.
Paano naman po kung may sumasakal?
For example, if there's
Sa likod, galing sa likod.
At ito naman, yung sinasabing choke and then holding to the side, like mga hold up, mga ginhold up.
Hold
Ito,
up.
halimbawa, mano-mano, okay? So, that's the way, if, let's say, in other way, like that, okay? Hold me, like for example, no, this one is hold here, I'll show you. Yeah, for example, somebody will corner you, oh, this is a hold up, okay?
Hold up.
So that's this. I can save. Okay, I will just step back. Okay, step back. This is the knife, isn't it? And then do this. Track again. Okay.
Okay, ulit nga, Monching, para
Okay.
makita ng mga
Hold up,
tao.
meron
Hold up.
ditong
Okay.
hawak.
Siyempre, ganyan.
Hold up
Ang
to,
tendency.
hold up.
I will distract. Okay. I will distract. Okay. Look at that. See. I'm out. I'm out from the danger. Okay. This is the knife.
Knife.
So I can grab this way. Okay? And then, not only that, if you want to punish the attacker, ma-break ito, ibibigay ko naman ito. There's so many variation. Ang daming variation yan. See? I'll do this and then I'll go there.
So, ano ang payo nyo, Sir Monching, sa mga kababayan natin? Parang matuto sila nitong
Okay.
basic martial arts ninyo.
Pinapayo ko, this is
Lalo
the
na
best.
yung mga dito
Lalo
sa
naman
atin.
sa dito nga, nagpunta ako rito to promote the yung kultura natin ng ating martial arts. Marami tayong alam na mga martial arts na sinasabing arnis, meron tayong karambit, meron tayong mano-mano, kasi yun ang maganda, mga street fighting. So, ito ang ginakayat ko sa mga kabataan. This is the best. Good exercise, especially not only for the kids, for us, for everybody.
Sa mga kababaihan.
Kababaihan or mga senior citizen. Especially.
Lalo na sa Pilipinas, di ba? Minsan maraming hold up,
Oh, yeah,
mga
yeah. Especially
rape,
here, too much.
patayan. Tsaka sinasabi nyo, pag marunong ka nito, hindi na kailangan patayin o barilin yung kalaban.
Correct, correct.
Di ba yung iba?
You give a chance, some of them.
Oo.
But if your situation is already like in sobra na sa delikado, okay, you can do it now. You can continuously, you can give a one time or dislocate mo lang sa parte ng tao. Wala na yan.
Last tip na lang.
Yeah.
How about rape sa babae?
Sa
Kung
mga
may
rape naman.
magre-rape, anong gagawin
Ang daming
nila?
mga sitwasyon
Anong
sa rape.
technique?
Or minsan
Yeah.
sa MRT.
Yeah, sa MRT.
O MRT
Okay.
o...
Di ba yung mga manyak, di ba? There's some of them
yayakap ko
nagpupunta rito.
dito
They're doing.
tatawa.
So what we're going to do, this is the hands. I will clip like this. I will clip that's this, okay? That's my friend, don't do that. Okay? Okay? Ganon, tapos ginaganon pa. Yan ang mga sa MRT.
Malapit yun ah.
Yeah. Tapos yung meron naman dito, yung mga nagdudukot.
Dukot.
Dikot. Yan, madukot sa MRT. You can do like that. My friend, don't do that, okay? See? This is the nerve. Di ba? Kaya masakit. Pressure point.
Thank you very much. So, swerte lang. Nakita natin si
Okay.
Monching sa airport. Final words sa ating mga kababayan.
Okay. The final words, okay?
Yes.
So, hopefully guys, this is your first time you meet our, the famous doctor. And actually, I am one of the avid fans of
Thank you.
Doctor. Last word lang, mga kababayan, huwag tangkilikin natin at mag-aral tayo ng martial arts, lalong-lalo na kung paano pagtanggol sa sarili mo. Hindi lang sarili, kundi ang iyong pocket at property, lalo na pamilya natin. Okay? At maraming salamat. At sana'y ang paglalakbay ay makatulong ito sa lahat ng mga Pilipino at lahat ng mga martial arts school ay dadalawin ko nga. Maraming salamat.
Yes, so pwede ka nilang imbitahan. Saan sila susulat?
Susulat sila sa akin ay sa World Martial Arts USA Academy. Ito ang aking address. And at my back. Like, yes, that's there. Okay. Diyan lang, okay? Or you can check to the website World Martial Arts USA Academy. Illinois.